Okay, this is a demonstration of Gage with a half-an-hour nap at 7 o'clock. And I woke him up. Because I didn't want him to be up till 1 o'clock in the morning. Hey, would you like your quesadilla? Would you like quesadilla? Quesadilla? Here, G. Quesadilla? No quesadilla? What about your bottle? What about, would you like... What about your bottle? I don't think he really understands why he's crying, but he won't let me pick him up. Oh, mommy, is he? Honey, what are you doing? Huh? Hi. Oh. Are you hungry? In your backpack? Oh, okay, you don't want your backpack. Oh, you do? What do you want me to do with your backpack? Hi. This doesn't happen very often, but when it does, it's actually pretty entertaining. Because he's so disoriented, he doesn't know what to do with himself. Gage, do you want some nummies? Do you want some nummies? No nummies for you? And there's your backpack. Oh, thank you, honey. Oh, and there's the leash. Thank you. Oh, I love you. I love you. What would you like to do? I made you a hot dog. Oh.